All right, welcome back to Merlin's Hot Corner 41. Uh, got a couple packs here, just do a small little pack opening for today. I have four packs of 2020 Chronicles, and then 2 packs of the Donruss Optic 2019. So we'll just rip these and see what we can get out of them. All right. All right, we'll start with the 2019 Donruss Optic. I believe these were out of a hobby box. Got one here. The bottom one looks a little bit thicker, so we'll save that one for last. And then here's our four of the Chronicles. Now these were all out of a blaster. This one looks like it might be a little thicker, but we'll see what we get. All right. No retail today. I did run to the store and asked just in case, but all I had was baseball. All right, so we got Ezekiel Elliott, nice and thick. Josh Allen, nice. Got Russ Wilson, Power Formulas. And rookie Kelvin Harmon. NC State. All right. My buddy and I got in a break last night with Matt's dugout, and got pretty lucky. I think we had the Giants and the Lions, and we hit a Y.A. Tittle 24 karat gold autograph, and I think it was 10 of 10 Daniel Jones from Gold Standard. They're both from Gold Standard. Like a laundry tag. And then later in the draft, the Lions we hit a Cephas autograph, and then a bunch of base cards, a couple of rookies, and then we get to the last box of Impeccable, and we hit the Okuda rookie auto, and then the big one was I think it was numbered to 15. It was a DeAndre Swift Elegance. It had like the autograph, helmet, and a patch and everything, so it was pretty sweet. So we're pretty pumped. It was a good break for us. Like I said, I am a Packer fan, but it was fun. He's a Lions fan, and I think the Lions are going to be exciting here. So yeah, it was fun. We were hoping for the Swift RPA. So all right, we got Jimmy G, Eli Manning. Should have. Oh, sweet, Damian Harris. I picked him up on my fantasy teams here later in the year. They get a quarterback. I think it's going to be a good situation for him. And then we got Donruss Threads, Kerryon Johnson. That's nice. Huh. It's pretty sharp. It looks sweet with the Lions blue. I do like the Lions colors. They were pretty cool. I actually liked when they did the black uniforms. I thought those are pretty sweet. All right. I'll switch over to these guys. Like I said, it's hard to tell. Looks like the bottom ones. Yeah, we'll see. Feels like the bottom one's thicker. Foil packs are a little harder to open. All right. Jake Breland, Salvin Ahmed, Jerry Jeudy from Donruss Optic. Red. Is this it's pretty sharp. That looks pretty nice with his Crimson Tide uni. Mitchell Wilcox from South Florida. And Albert O. Limited Phenoms. It's pretty cool. All right. Got a Sparty in the back. Oh, Tua. Something's pretty bendy in here. So we got Tua, Don Russ. It's nice. Justin Jefferson from Playoff. That's awesome. I like Justin Jefferson. I know a lot of mock drafts had the Packers taking him, but we decided we didn't need wide receiver help, I guess. All right, AJ Epineza. Laviska Shenault. He's one I'm debating on, like trying to get on his rookie cards now. Brian Lewerke. He started off like he was gonna. I mean, he had some shoes to fill behind Cousins and Connor Cook there, but looked like he was gonna step right in behind them, but didn't end up working out. All right, pack number 3. Yeah, like I said, these were all out of the same blaster. I forget where I got them from. Not sure why they were loose. Maybe I don't know. The cards seemed like they're fine, so I don't know if the box was damaged. Maybe. Devin Duvernay for Baltimore out of Prestige, and we have rookie auto Brian Herrien. What is he? Running back. Not really familiar with him. Red Zone from Playoff. Nice card. Cole Kmet. We got a healthy dose of him last night. Matt was pulling all kinds of Cole Kmet cards. Rookie autos, auto patches. Devin Asiasi. And Lamico Pirine from Absolute. That's nice. All right, last pack. I'm not sure if this one's thicker or not. Kind of felt like it, but maybe not so much now. Ooh, there we go. Got a Mr. Burrow. No, it's not. There's no mem card in here. They're just, some of these are, I think it's the select ones have like a nice like arch to them or something. So Joe Burrow from Don Ross. Brandon Ayuk from Playoff. Nice. Albert O from Optic. It's pretty sharp. We got J.K. Dobbins. And CeeDee Lamb from Spectra. Yeah, that sucker's big time curved. All right. So that was all the packs there. Not too bad. I like Chronicles. It was good to get a taste, but I got a hobby box I want to throw in a break here in the future. But all right, well, thanks for stopping by and catching the video. And hit like and subscribe if you will. Like I said, I'm trying to get the name out there. It's been a lot of fun so far. Super addicting. I will say that. The more I do it, the more I I want to find packs, open packs, get in breaks. Yeah, it's been really fun. So, anyways, we'll see you around soon. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and good luck with your retail and pack opening and all that. All right, see you later, guys.